Welcome back to my channel, guys. What's up? So today, it's been a while since I've done a mukbang here, but it's different type of food today.
We've never done a seafood.
Yeah, I can't recall doing one of that. So today we have snow crab here. Yes, we got it here in Jamaica at a local restaurant by the name of Living Room in 20 Eastwood Park Road. Yeah, that's where we got it. So just in case you're wondering, putting it out there for you guys. So yeah, guys, so
We don't have no gloves or nothing. This is kind of scary. Ow! It sharp.
I usually see them have like something for crack it. I guess you're gonna have to like bite it. I don't know why them people are choose to do all of that now. Me never hear it when me just coming on. Alright, let me take a bite of this. This is like messy. Okay guys, so yeah, this is the first mukbang of 2020 on my main channel. Not that I really do mukbangs on my vlog channel, but like we eat all the time, you know, but not like official mukbangs or whatever. The corn is really good. I'm kind of intimidated to eat crab because I don't know if eat it
Don't
good.
scare me.
What?
Crab.
It looks. All the people them eat the big fat leg, like the fatter leg. I think we should have get the thing for crack it. Guys. I think I should have got sauce to eat the meat with. I never get no sauce. Let me try out the Irish.
We dip the crab meat in.
This is so different from me, guys. I wish I got sauce to dip the crab, because I always like when I watch these mukbangs, I see everybody have sauces to dip the meat in, and I'm like, bro, that looks so good. But I like.
I don't know if we eat it.
I got shrimp to go.
Pepper.
I wish like it had more pepper. Yeah, for some people I guess this is spicy already.
We did need one of the crab cracker, like.
If you guys don't already know, Shami here has her YouTube up and running again.
So I started back recently. Just really posting anything over there, not necessarily doing hair videos.
Which is really fun. Like
So
fun
you guys
content.
like, you can go ahead and check that out. Go watch my prank mommy.
Pregnancy
And story time.
I life up it. I know some people are like, a lot of people looking forward to Carnival this year.
At one time again?
More than ever. Oh, I got two.
Should make sure I add more time than
And this year, if you guys don't already know, we're jumping with Bacchanal, and we both have costume discount code. Usually, if you don't know, like here in Carnival, here in Jamaica, I've never really heard of discount codes for costumes. They just pay your money and done. So it was rather a privilege for us to have a discount code to offer to you guys who always support so much. So I'm so grateful for that. So my discount code is PETITE-SUE, and Shami's discount code is
Shiny.
and you can use that on the Bacchanal site. This is only valid online, by the way. You get 5% off your costume.
Oh, me, then I cloud to my never know. Guys are over 3 years now, me eat crab.
Yeah.
I can't eat no. Because I can't crack the big one.
You know what, the big one?
Yeah.
So you mean you can't crack it up to eat it. Ooh. Guys, this is a challenge.
This is
Oh my god. Yeah guys, so I'm going to put the code in the description box, or the link rather, where you can go ahead and check out the costumes for Bacchanal. They're lit this year. And bacchanal bringing vibes. Honestly. Honestly, I wish I did get the mic like to make this like ASMR. Honestly, I struggle. Honestly, I struggle.
When the priest, I'm not getting no meat out of the crab really since
What you can manage?
Now come on, this episode of Mukbang we're going to talk about fake friends.
Oh!
So Suan, have you ever had a fake friend?
And I haven't had a lot of friends, so like people who they buy your side and you think so them with you, them smile with you. The kind of people who you're not even like, oh no, malice for too long. So, you know? You're surprised to know sometimes of them people them people are kill you behind your back. And I think I mentioned it before. When my family like feel like I do things sometimes for people. I feel like I am it. You know? Yeah. It's really sad when somebody where you feel like you know they did it for you or whatever. Not necessarily like best friend, but you know that good friend, like it's just sad for no say them are your enemy all along.
A lot of people so get them in your circle and your circle say you want them good, but it's like them hated the whole time and just that they are study you.
Yeah.
For go back, go do what you do. You're there with them and you express to them what you're passionate about and they make you feel stupid.
That hurts. That hurts.
If you have a friend in your circle and you realize them never ever congratulated, them never seem genuinely happy for you yet, like
Yeah.
cut them off. Cause if you have somebody where every time you do something them have to make a joke about it or make you feel like them just can't genuinely say yo I'm proud of you, like you really do that.
Yeah.
Them not mean you're not good.
Yeah. Like comment down below if you guys, if any of you watching ever have a fake friend. I have to legit that take 1 foot. I try to go out the meat. Now see there? Take my hand on my fashion. Look, corn is really bomb. You want to know something? I never eat nothing because I've been waiting on to eat this food. Like, really, I wash out my belly pan it. You ever have a fake friend yet?
Yeah.
How you do it?
And I had realized it was in sixth form.
Oh.
And I had realized that she was fake because of the things that she used to say. So one day, like, I confirm it was like, we'd have play truth or dare. Me come up with the idea because I didn't know what me I do. And I said, everybody make a list of truth and everybody make a list of dare. So I asked her truth or dare and she said truth. So I say, I'm looking at her and I say, yeah, are you jealous of any of your friends? I mean, I stare in her eye and she said, yeah. I'm gonna say, why? And she was like, cause she pretty and I don't know, she just have all the things that go on for her. And I was like, okay. I'm gonna just smile and she was like, but no, you would have asked that question then.
Why she said that?
And then I just never did reply after that. And then after that, like she just started show up all identical as them. And I'm like, this girl is psycho and I'm gonna have to cut you off. And from that, just cut her off.
So all you know say, oh, she start at them way they towards you. You see?
And
time
say
will tell.
stuff. She like always say stuff for you, you know, like show when somebody envy you. It's not safe.
This really not safe, you know, because you have to get really messy to eat that food. Yeah.
And the situation with your friend with that time.
Oh.
But say I'm still.
Sorry, I got so caught up in this.
It not safe. This not safe for true. It's sharp.
See all this flesh? You see me can't suck it though. No.
I know I feel like I might want that because I saw your own video, but go through
Is mommy give it to me?
I know, but still.
You know this would have been so lit if it was curry. Oh, I forget she not like curry. You know? After that, you see when you come across them type of thing that make you fear for kind of.
And everybody knows I only have 2 friends and
it make you fear for kind of like deal with people on a certain level. Like it's fine to know people. It's fine to know people and deal with them. You know, I don't know, can go out and chill here and there, but it's like it make you reconsider when you feel like do certain things or talk certain things. You can't really be too comfortable, you know?
At the end of the day,
yeah.
not care how much you think somebody love you, the best friend and your enemy. So you can't trust nobody 100%.
Yeah, so me
I always the person where you think say, nah, go do this, I swear for them. I always them turn around and kill yourself. Don't always best friend are there with them man, with them friend.
Not always, but it happens a lot.
Yeah,
it happens a lot, and it's just.
So what that?
Huh? What? You frightened me? What? It's
Meat?
flesh. It's flesh. Eat it, guys. We're not big pan crab eating, you know. You know, can't tell say we're not used to this.
We're not used to at all.
Like, I'm just trying. But it always looks so good when I see
people eating it. Ever see them get some fat chunk from it and.
Oh my God! Show you much. Look there. Like last year really taught me a lot about that, you know. And so it's not a lot of people that I consider really close friends or whatever. Yeah, but that's what I just said, you know, you just have to leave some people to time, and other people will see for themselves.
Everything now gonna happen for your time. You have to trust that time. You see, you will feel like say that person here just why everybody can't, because and at the time when you figure out somebody, everybody else is gonna figure out somebody. Yeah, then
especially if the person come off as a very nice person.
You go in on yourself and I say why everybody cannot see this, but in God's time, not before time. You find out in that time where you find out, but everything else will unfold when it unfold.
Yeah, as it should. So sometimes you just have to easy and go and go through your day. You finished?
Yeah.
Then this mukbang probably isn't as long. Cause I think we finished. I know some people are gonna say no.
Where where's the food?
Where's the crab? I can't eat your side of the crab. And this is one smaller one. This is not snow crab. This is a regular crab from out here. You know, so I can't eat the belly of the one. I can't eat the foot them though. But when I eat them foot here, I can't get out the meat of this. I just choke everything. I get out the meat and once I bite up on it, it kind of slide out. You know, slide out because it's slippery. You know. But yeah, guys, that's pretty much it for this mukbang here today. I really hope you guys enjoy. I really hope we never bore you, because we honestly just came here saying that, you know, we wanted to do this mukbang, never really plan out nothing, and we just spoke. Yep. And I hope you guys could appreciate that. Go ahead and give it a thumb up. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not subscribed already, and stay tuned for other videos, because I know I upload very regular. I tried my best to be very consistent. And as I said before, go and check out Shami's channel, Divinity Dimplez. She has a video going up every Wednesday. Right? Yes. So that's it. So until then, go and big up on yourself. And that's it for today. So bye.